Okay, I've never made macarons before. I think today's the day, and I've really been putting it off. I have watched a bunch of videos. I've read a lot of subreddits, but I'm feeling oddly confident, and I'm not sure why. Gonna be honest, there's not a lot to celebrate about America at the moment, but I like the 4th of July. You know, it reminds me of a promise that is supposed to be kept, and it's something to think about. And this year, I flew my drone through the fireworks show.
Oh, way down south in the land of traders, rattlesnakes and alligators. Right away, come away, right away, come away. Where cotton's king and men are chattels, Union boys will win the battles. Right away, come away, right away, come away. We'll all go down to Dixie, away, away. Each Dixie boy must understand that he must find his Uncle Sam. Away, away, we'll all go down to Dixie. Away, away, we'll all go down to Dixie.
Okay, by the way, that's not illegal. Anyway, so there are a couple different ways that you can make macarons. You know, just looking online, you'll find very home-friendly versions.
Here, we're going to use this very high-tech piece of kitchen gear called a spoon. This does take a few minutes, but when you're working at this small of a scale, I don't think the piping bag really saves you much time when you factor in the loading phase, and it's wasteful. Even if you're going to use a reusable piping bag, you're still going to waste a lot of batter stuck inside the bag.
Okay, I'm gonna use an actual recipe, and I am gonna use a piping bag. You know, if it was just me not having to worry about making something that looks good on camera, I'd probably do it pretty loosey-goosey. But that's too far. That's too far.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Oh, it's fine.